Hi, I'm Kiwana Wheat, author of Scared and Pregnant, and I came to give you a couple tips and tricks to find words that you overuse in a document. So if you're like many people who use like all the time, you may want to search for like. And let's get out of here because I want to show you from the start how to find your overused words. So click the Home tab, click Find, and you can type in like. You'll find that in this document, the results show that like was used 135 times. Another word I like to make sure that I don't overuse is very. And the results show that very is used 26 times. So right here shows the pages that the results are found on, and this goes to the exact sentences that very is used in. So if you click replace, make sure to select find whole words only, because you want to make sure that it's the whole word that you are looking for. For instance, every day, or the word every has very inside of the word. So if this is not selected, every will be included in your results, and that's not what you're looking for. So you want to select find whole words only, and this will take you to the precise word that you're looking for. If you found that this video was helpful, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll link my webpage in the description so that you can visit my blog. Thank you.